let's go. This is my dad's deer bomb. My mom hates it. She really does. Let's go. One, two, three, because my papa has a church in downtown DeWitt, Michigan.
What are those behind you right there?
Oh, those are my lambs. Then my cows are over there.
You got cows too?
Yeah. It's hard work. I'm the strongest man on earth. Don't try that one.
You ready to get some photos?
Yeah. This is Duke. And this is Daisy.
All right, what else we got?
Daisy is the nice one. We got our cow and we got our other cow and we got another cow, Peggy, and if you look over there, we got another one, Rocky.
That's the baby?
Rocky O Bubba.
Rocky O Bubba?
My favorite part. Let's go. So now we're going on a hammer.
Where are we going?
Off the road. We have chickens. 18 of them. Let's see if we can find some. You gotta be real quiet. They're over there too. We even have some chickens. Really cool. I lost at the volleyball competition. It was rough. Thanks for coming to Fun on the Farm. Hope you guys can come next time.